This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking tempo and key. Choose 120-130 BPM and G major because the original sits comfortably there. Open a new project, set 4/4 time, and add an acoustic guitar track. Keep the metronome on for steady timing. Once done, import a short reference clip of the song to a separate track. This helps you match structure and placement. Make sure to disable input monitoring while recording the guide track, so you avoid latency and double tracking issues. Now build the arrangement. Record the rhythm guitar using a vintage amp patch or clean acoustic mic mode. Aim for one solid take, then a comp if needed. Next, add a bass track playing root notes to lock the groove. Quantize lightly only if timing is off. Once the rhythm bed sits well, add a piano or organ comping layer for harmonic fullness. Then record a scratch vocal guide. Low latency buffer helps you stay natural. These layers give you a full mix to refine. Finish by balancing levels and applying basic processing. High pass tracks under 80 Hz, gentle boost around 3.5 kHz for presence, and send a tasteful reverb to a bus for cohesion. Once satisfied, bounce the project to WAV or MP3 at 44. 1 kHz, 16-bit, adding a short fade if the ending feels abrupt. If you hear timing drift or vocal delay, enable low latency mode and reduce buffer size. Additionally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.